Je suis chef diplômé et mon identité culinaire c'est un peu différent. C'est un pont culinaire entre la cuisine africaine et la cuisine du monde.
I was born in New York. My parents are from Japan. I grew up in England, but I cook French food.
I am half Irish and half Austrian, and my mother was doing the Irish-Austrian influence in the kitchen. I love to surprise my customer with the special ingredients, the combinations. It has to be something that they would never have thought about because it's a surprise menu. So a customer comes here 5 times or 10 times, they'll never get the same dish.
My cooking is influenced by my background. I have a Japanese heritage, but I trained in French cooking. It's classic French flavors combined, but on the plate, it's more vibrant and fresh.
Ça fait 2 ans que je voyage beaucoup en Afrique et je vais dans les villages aller rencontrer les grandes-mères et je cuisine avec eux parce que derrière un plat, il y a toujours une histoire.
For me, connections means ingredients that go together perfectly. It means sharing knowledge with your peers.
A chef nowadays is never on his own. I get my ideas from all over the world. If I go to Thailand and eat in a fantastic restaurant, I want to know and learn how that cook works. Cooking means to me everything. It's passion, it's to be creative, it's to love it.
La cuisine pour moi, c'est le partage.
Cooking is the easiest way to connect people from different backgrounds, religions, and cultures. So make time for each other, make time to cook.